Today we are going to learn about Angular architecture and Angular project structure. Here's the basic structure of the Angular project. You can see there are a lot of files and folders we will discuss in future. And very important file in the Angular application is package.json. In that package.json, a JSON file, it contains all the metadata in our Angular app. That means we can find name, version, basic script, and dependencies of packages of our Angular app. Here you can see uh, uh, a name, version, and script like ng server, ng build, ng test, like commands and packages. Those packages some are automatically installed when we create the Angular application. Somehow we have to manually install using Node Package Manager or npm. There are another important file called package.json. Actually, that um, that file is that file is automatically created, unlike package.json, and it is not good to modify a package.json, and it contains all the dependencies and the metadata. Here you can see the difference between package.json and package.json. Here you can see all the metadata in package.json. Now we are going to discuss a very important file in the Angular project. Any Angular project is Angular.json file. Actually, it has a core configuration, and it located in the root level, and it contains development, testing, and production environments. Here you can see uh, how this Angular JSON file displays, and you can see here in that one we have a section called styles. Using in the styles section, you can add your own styles to the Angular application, and script tag, you can add any customized script like Bootstrap or jQuery. It has different section like production, development, production, and testing. Uh, Now we are going to learn about main.ts file. That is actually that is used to bootstrapping Angular application. Bootstrapping means starting Angular application. It will start app.ts file also. And now we are going to learn the entry point, a single entry point of the Angular application is index.html file. In that one, all the using that uh, browser can render our Angular application. Here you can see the content of the index.html. You can see the HTML tag and head tag, and all the metadata, and uh, and in the body you can see the approved tag. That is the entry point of our Angular application. this is the style.css file. In that one, we keep all the global style common to whole Angular. And in the Angular has few important folders. One is src folder, we call source folder. In that one, our source code is kept there, and just another folder called node modules. In that one, all the Angular packages will be kept there, and it include packages that automatically install, or the packages uh, manually installed by us. And if you want to keep images, videos, audios, or files, we can use ss folder. And there's a folder called app folder. Using that, we can customize our application. Here you can see important files in the app folder. One is app.route.ts. Using that, we can define all the routing or navigation path in the Angular application. We will do in next lesson. Another one is Angular config.ts. Using that, we can add customized configurations like HTTP configuration or some other third-party configurations. Uh, Now we are going to learn about app component.ts. Actually, it's the NTO base component of the Angular application, or we can say the parent component of all other component. Here you can see in the app component ts file. Um, you can see the top of that. You can see the imports folder. Uh, in that one, we can see all the imports, and then you can see the selector means tag name, like HTML tag. We can use that tag in our Angular application. Then standalone through means it's actually this component can work independently. That means this component is a standalone component. And there's an import array. In that one, we can import all the necessary component uh, to our Angular application. In template URL means what is the HTML file, uh, what is the path of the HTML file. Style URL means what is the path of the style sheet file. And after that, you can see the uh, uh, app component class. uh, 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 and in that one, you can see all the object oriented. You can add all the object oriented related stuff in this app component class, like dependency injection and all other design patterns. And we should export it. Otherwise, this app component will not available to other component. Here, component.html file. Actually, this is the HTML file or a view or presentation part of the any Angular component. Uh, Using that, we can add HTML tags, as well as uh, uh, we can bind to the properties and methods in the TypeScript file. This Angular component of CSS file. Using that, we can add any CSS styles uh, or any style sheets to our to this component. So without affecting to other component, uh, we can do it independently. So it increases the modularity, flexibility, maintainability, and testability. That means we can do any changes without affecting to other components, only to this component. App component spec.ts file, actually this file is used to only for unit testing. If you don't want to do unit testing, you can delete or skip this file.